I'm telling you, so you don't get.
Unboxing our new baby hanger. Look. Free gifts. Hanger, this thing now 1,000. I beg that this need it.
No, this is not. They don't want to say this. My shit is paper and she don't want to say them.
Yeah, that phone.
Maybe.
Other phone also.
Or they're not complete.
Yeah. Wow. This is beautiful.
So guys, welcome back. Guys, I've been very, very down. I've been down with fever, malaria, body pains. Everything is happening to me. My BP has been up and down. I've been trying to get enough rest. We were discharged from the hospital the day before yesterday, 2 days ago evening. But while I was in the hospital, some delivery, I got a message from GIG Logistics that I have with us, so I don't know what it's about. I don't know where it's even coming from. So I got, my husband received it on my behalf, because I sent it to his office. So he brought it home yesterday. I don't know where it's from. So I just want to open it now and see what is inside and see where it's from. Yeah, if you're looking at me, you can see that I'm having my face is very very down because I'm having severe headache with serious cold. I just took drugs now. Hopefully the fever and the cold will reduce. And by the way, I'm in my case room in case you're saying. So, this is the parcel I got. I don't know what is inside. Yeah, but let's open it and see what is inside. It's from YouTube. It's from YouTube. We got our first present. Our first YouTube present. Congratulations on successfully completing YouTube channels. Thank you for your commitment to supporting community initiatives. Please enjoy this well-earned reward. We look forward to continue to build this community and seeing you in our next initiative. YouTube. Yeah, we have our first YouTube gift and it's a bag. What is what's it called? Fanny bag. I think that's what it's called, fanny bag. That's what is inside. Thank you so much, YouTube. Thank you for your present. I appreciate. Thank you. God bless YouTube. Long live YouTube. Yeah. Okay, guys. I thought I should check what is inside the bag. Whether it's bomb or something else. But yeah, it's good news. So I'll see you guys later. So guys, my face looks horrible. It looks horrible. This lady right here, this woman right here has been through a lot for the past couple of days. Since we came back from hospital, I've not even been able to do anything. I didn't know that CS is this difficult. Like, when people used to talk about CS, it was just like it's just a simple thing. Like, I never knew it is going to be this stressful, painful, mentally exhausting and everything. Since we came back, it's my sister that has been beating baby. Hubby baited her once, then the other time is my sister. Yeah. Well, my mom is coming today. She's already in Abuja though, so my hubby is going to pick her up. So yeah, she's coming. She's on her way already. I'm just waiting for them to arrive. I'm having serious headache that has refused to leave me, or should I call it migraine? Yeah, having serious migraine. I don't think I'm pronouncing that one. Yeah, well, I'm just sitting down here waiting. Anyway, how are you guys doing? Thank you guys for all the love on my videos. So hi, I don't know when I'll get back fully on YouTube because I need a lot of time to recover, and being a first time CS mom is more exhausting than I thought.
You're not great.
Welcome. What would that be? Our Omogo has officially begun. People are Hajj. Oh, that's a point that one. Mom, you're not like me again. Bread, I'm not here, mommy. No, no, I have bread. Take it after the bread, or bread that are gone. Oh, you put money in that. Oh, baby. Abacha. Here we go. Okay. You are one no, or Tanisha, my go on away with it. Huh?
Type maintain that shashala.
I'm such a good one. I got a before.
You don't need for isn't how come on gas so
Who again?
I'm here again.
Well, we talk about that if you would.
Oh, Julia.
Papa banu people over. I'm going to get a young neighbor. Mommy can't help you.
Mommy again. Okay, what is this thing now? Because you open.
Mommy, you're both straight. Mommy, you're both straight to get you carrying a nylon like this.
Oh, that is small.
The thing in a nylon.
Police to daddy.
Eh?
Daddy?
We'll call police for daddy.
Daddy? Auntie Mian. Auntie Mian, Daddy don't want the police.
Daddy don't want police.
Yeah.
Where are the money like that? In the park. Okay, just a little for that.
I cannot tell you. Mommy, my case is it isn't here.
Supposed to be that way, and if it happens, then it was supposed to be that way, and if it happens, then it was supposed to be that way.